Oh, what a beautiful morning it really is. The weather's perfect. Well, I don't know how many of y'all are already aware, but this started off as a completely off-road dirt bike. It's a 525 XCW, and there has been electric start, low and high beams, a horn, light, tail light, brake light. That's already all been added, and still gotta get some blinkers, but it's street legal enough. The thing is though is that I'm not sure what the laws are in your state, but where I'm at, because this vehicle has a competition only stamp on the frame, they don't want to put it on the street. But there's a loophole that I found out, because South Dakota will tag your dirt bike and mail you a tag, and you can register it and tag it in South Dakota. So I reached out to them, and the person was so nice, and they were so helpful, and mailed me the tag. I felt like it was gonna come like 3 days from now, and it showed up yesterday. And so now I got what I need on the street: a tag, registration, and insurance, so we can go play on the street. I love it. Looking forward to going and exploring all the places that you can get to from the street. So, if you ain't heard, South Dakota, where you can get your tags for your dirt bikes. Just a heads up.